Happy Mercedesing. In this one, I want to talk about the results of the quiz. 33 of you voted. 5 of you liked the quiz. Thanks for the likes. And now let's analyze the questions and the answers. So, on the question, when you have to replace the OVP, the offered answers were A. Always as first step. B. When engine is warm. C. When it comes to difficult starts. And D. When fuel distributor leaks. And now the explanation. A is incorrect. Always as first step. So 6 of you, the results were like that, said always as first step. Let's presume that you have floating RPM. And the culprit for your floating RPM turns out to be the potentiometer. So OVP has nothing to do with this. If you have voltage on the same potentiometer, then your OVP is fine. B. When engine is warm, 1 of you, or 30%. Again, incorrect. What does it mean actually, engine warm? When we say a warm engine, we mean at first engine at the operating temperature between 80 and 90 degrees C. Cheers. So, now let's presume that each time your engine achieves 80 or 90 degrees C, you have to replace the OVP, right? As far as I can say, that's what it means when engine is warm. So this was a no, 100%. We come to D, when fuel distributor leaks. The OVP and the fuel distributor have nothing in common, but absolutely nothing in common. You can run your fuel distributor while the engine is off by bridging the fuel pump. And then you can see if your fuel distributor is leaking, and that's because of a ruptured diaphragm inside. That's why, or because the fuel distributor is not tight, or many things can go bad there, so that your fuel distributor starts leaking. But again, the fuel distributor and the OVP have nothing in common. That's as if we say that you have bad calipers, and you're going to solve that issue by replacing a tire. The same thing. Just a moment, please. And now, let's explain why is C the correct answer. The symptoms of a bad OVP. Difficult, both warm as well as cold starts. No starts at all if it is frost. ABS light on when you manage to start the car. And now I'm going to show you how to know that your OVP is good in seconds, just like this. The detailed explanation in the video. Happy Mercedesing and happy coffee time for me. Bye bye.